show you how you can prepare foods typically thought to be reserved for oven cooking right on top of the stove. We have selected a roast in this case. It's a boneless chuck roast. You begin by placing the Dutch oven slightly over a medium-high heat to preheat for a couple of minutes. When the cooking surface is hot enough to scatter water, it's time to sear the meat. A couple of advantages to cooking a roast on top of the stove in Kitchen Charm is it cooks faster than it would in an oven at a rate of about 20 minutes per pound, and it will not heat your kitchen up the way an oven will. Also, you will not see any visual shrinkage of the meat as you do in a hot, dry oven that shrinks the roast. So you get more of what you paid for, and the finished roast will be moist and tender. While the roast is searing on one side, let's cut an onion on our food cutter. Once we have seared the roast, on both sides we will add the onion and a bit of sauce for flavor enhancement. At this time, if you want to have a little extra broth at the end of the cooking process, for gravy, then add a cup of water alongside the roast. Any vegetables that you would like to add can also be placed in at this time. In this example, we will add carrots and potatoes. Now we cover the Dutch oven with the dome cover. The dome cover not only provides you with extra capacity, it can also be used for stack cooking. See your cookbook for stack cooking details. Once you see a bit of moisture escaping from the cover's edge, it is time to reduce the heat to the lowest setting. The roast will be done in roughly 20 minutes per pound, but the longer you cook it, the more tender it will be. When the meal is complete, remove the roast and vegetables. Just look at that mouth-watering roast